Imagine your monthly salary is $2,500 and I give you 7 empty glasses. Which glass should get your money first? Because the order in which you pour that money may matter more than how much you earn. Think of a salary like one jug of water, and your financial life is made up of different glasses completing that same water. You cannot pour everything into one glass and expect the rest of your financial life to survive. That is where your personal finance stack comes in. I am Tosin Aileyafen, your licensed life insurance advisor and financial educator. Please stay with me on this financial matter. Most people think personal finance starts with, what should I invest in? I think it starts one step earlier, not with investing, but budgeting. So it should rather be, what job should my salary do first? Because you don't build a house by starting with the roof. You build the foundation first. Imagine $2,500 hit your bank account every month. Your first glass is cash flow. Maybe $1,000 goes towards housing, groceries, transportation, utilities, or basic needs. Now you have $1,500 left. Next, perhaps $250 goes to your emergency funds. Now you have $1,250 left. Then maybe $300 goes towards high interest debt. Your balance becomes $950. Then perhaps $200 goes towards protection, such as appropriate life insurance, disability insurance, or critical illness insurance coverage based on your needs. $750. Then perhaps $500 goes towards your future. And here is an important distinction. Your tax-free savings account, your first home savings account, your registered retirement savings plan is this glass. The investment is what you put inside that glass. That money could then be invested appropriately based on your goals, timeline, and risk tolerance. Now you have $250 remaining. That final amount could become your monthly flexibility, short-term goals, additional savings, lifestyle spending, and eventually your wealth and legacy glass. And here is the part I want you to remember. Financial security is not only about earning bigger salary. Two people can both earn $2,500 a month, but 5 years later, their financial lives can look completely different. Why? Because one person simply spent the water, while the other person gave every glass a purpose. Your salary is the water. Your financial structure determines what that water eventually builds. So before asking, what investment should I buy? Ask yourself, where is my salary actually going every month? And then look at your personal finance stack. Cash flow, emergency fund, debt management, protection, tax advantage accounts, investment, wealth and legacy. Which glass in your financial life needs attention right now? Comment stack for a free consultation, and don't forget to follow me for more practical Canadian personal finance education.